COVID-19 vaccination. After that, the things I prepared, like better to check your temperature. I prepared an ice bag. Like this ice bag, you can get it for the arm. This is just for the arm. It comes in different sizes. You can just source it from your chemist. This is a temperature thermo check to check your temperature. I just got at the site of injection. If you think it's paining, you can use this one, or you can use a like a move or anything like that. And antiseptic, you won't get anything. You shouldn't be required to use it. But if that the site where the injection is done, that is vaccination is done, if that is paining, you can use this as well. This is antiseptic. This is first aid. This has got a calming effect. And this is paracetamol for any kind of pain reduction. Apart from this, this is Voltaren. So if there is too much of pain at the site of injection, you can use it. And then some of the creams, and definitely use the face mask, which is important after post vaccination. Always keep using your mask. That is one of the important things. So apart from this, I just had like a little massage. I just massaged it with a little bit of coconut oil at the time of taking the vaccination. So the main thing which I did is, as soon as I finished my vaccination, I had something. I had come home straight. I didn't go here and there. Sorry about that. So the main thing which is required for the vaccination is try to put a ice pack immediately. So this is the immediate thing which you need to do. Then the others you may need to use. But this is all side effects. As far as side effects are concerned, I didn't really have much side effects, except that day 1, day 2 was normal. Day 3, I felt extremely like in 20s. I was like jumping around. I did a whole lot of work. That is a good positive side effect. I didn't have negative side effects. Alright, then we'll meet you in the second dose of vaccination.